All right. Hello. I just washed my hair. I'm getting my starter Microlocs tomorrow. And I'm pretty much, I'm gonna go ahead and put this leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm pretty much just doing videos so that people who have short hair like me can relate to what they're working with, and if they're having doubts or concerns about starting with such short hair. My hair is so different all around, so give me just a minute. I got that 4C hair, baby. So previously, my perimeter of my hair all the way to the back was shaved. So that's why you see that it's so much shorter than everything else. So my sides are measuring about 3 inches. My top is right at about 5. Just kind of see. Yeah. Top of my hair is about 5. I literally measure this crap all the time. Might not do too good today. Yeah, so right about 5. At the top, in my back, the very back is got the undercut, but my row here is about 2 to 3 inches, but everything in this area is about 4 to 5 inches. So pretty much the shortest is about 3 inches, longest being about 5 inches. So again, tomorrow is when I'm going to start my journey. Got them edges just not there, but trying to come back. I'll try to keep people updated just so you kind of know. Like I said, for the people with short hair, for me, I just kept looking for videos of people with short hair. That's what was inspiring me to kind of give me an idea of what I was going to look like. But I will get more videos for tomorrow's visit and go from there.